Most customers think of us as the steam cooking experts.
We're not a big group here, but I like to say we're an efficient group. We get things done.
Here at Cleveland Range, we manufacture a variety of kettles, skillets, and steamers.
What's unique about our process is that we actually manufacture almost 90% of everything in-house.
Cleveland Range has a long-standing history of very high quality.
Our market is mainly North America. We do some in Latin America, also in Europe.
The manufacturing facility, it's 126,000 square feet. We have about 200 employees.
So in our facility, we don't just bend metal, we spin metal.
You take a flat piece of metal, you spin the heads into shape. They have to be very accurate in order to meet the requirements of ASME.
We sell both in the commercial and the non-commercial market. So non-commercials would be hospitals, would be schools, would be the colleges. On the commercial side, we're into restaurants, we're into hotels. Some of the fast casual chains are buying them.
We believe strongly that we produce quality products for a very competitive price, and in all honesty, I believe they're the best in the world.
Cleveland Range is probably one of the oldest food service equipment companies in the U.S. About 1922 is when Kurt Seelbach purchased the Bourne Range Company, and that's when it became the Cleveland Range Company. In 1977, Cleveland invented the convection steamer, which really kind of revolutionized the way people use steam. Food comes out better, brighter, you can actually cook faster, so it really opened up steam cooking to the restaurant industry. In 1983, we purchased a company called the Bardot Company. We expanded from steamers going into kettles and tilting skillets.
The entire manufacturing process starts in assembly. We make all the sub-assembly, we do the wiring assembly, final testing, packaging, and shipping as well.
On a steamer, the production value is based on a cavity first, which that is the base unit, which the cavity contains bare bones. It's the frame with the two openings for the steam chamber.
Skillets, we have the process of welding components, polishing components. We go through the sub-assembly, final testing, and packaging and shipping.
Our patent on our gas kettles really set us apart.
The kettle itself has a steam jacketed cavity, which has a pot basically inside a pot. So you're not cooking with the gas, you're not cooking with electricity, you're cooking everything with steam.
In our kettle department, we do the welding manufacturing process, we do the polishing process, we do the hydrostatic and testing, we do the electrical wiring assembly and final testing and packaging for the complete shipment.
I think that what sets us apart from our competition is the fact that our quality level is so high.
We are best in class as producers.
The expectation is that the equipment will last a long time.
I also think one of our advantages is the team we have inside here at Cleveland.
It's the people, the process, and the brand.
It's almost like a family atmosphere. I've known most of the team here for over 30 years.
I was just a young child when I started working here.
The accomplishments are there and on the people's backs that actually produce the job.
Well, I think that the core product lines will always be the forefront of the business.
People just love to cook with steam, and that, I don't think that'll ever change.
In terms of our evolvement and continuing to meet the needs of our industry, we will continue to look at technologies, we'll continue to invest in our people and meet those needs that are always changing.
Kind of like a code we live by. It's, build it right, ship it on time, and take care of the customer. So it's kind of our mantra. If we keep doing those things, we'll be okay.